What's up, y'all? My name is Tatiana Lachelle, aka Natural Baby, and you are here with me today to do my makeup. I know I'm looking crazy. I was just kind of practicing right now. I'm just seeing what I want to do. My mom was yapping. Y'all know when y'all talk to y'all mama, they don't get off the phone because they just be, you know. So I just went ahead and did something. I'm kind of feeling it, kind of not, but we just gonna keep doing it. And I went ahead and do this side of the eye, so now I'm gonna go to the other one. But I feel like I want to clean it up a little bit because I don't want that right there. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna hit it with the Aura right here, this type of like brown purple type of look. And then I'm gonna go in with the SheGlam Smart Cookie palette, and I'm gonna go in with this one. I don't even want to say that name, but if y'all can read it, I can't really read it, but I don't know, that makes me cringe. I don't like that name. So I'm just gonna mix these two browns, and I'm just gonna go with my eyelid and go in like a circular motion. I did already do my eyebrows, put some concealer on, and also set my face with the primer. And I used the Photo Finish, this one right here. And I just placed that all over the face, guys. So then I'm gonna put some concealer on this brush right here. And I'm just gonna take my flat brush and just kind of add some concealer on here. Take some of it off because I don't want too much. And I'm just gonna create this line. And just go in with the shade. It definitely looks funny, but if I combine all the colors, it kind of just fits. So then I'm gonna go in with this Cherish. It's like a really pink, pretty pink. Oh, you can see me right there, y'all. Okay. This really pretty pink, and it's like a white at the same time, and I'm feeling it. So let's do it. I'm just gonna dab it on like that. But at first I wasn't even really feeling the brush, so I came in with this one. Some eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Shake that little beat, and I'm gonna create my line. It was good on the love for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? So I did go find these really pretty eyelashes. They are very simple and subtle. They're so cute, and I was excited to try them, so I had to get them. They were only like $5. $5 is a lot for eyelashes, especially when you mainly shop at the hair store. I got these from Ulta, but y'all look at them. Ooh, we finna pop these bad boys. Oh, okay, they just look so natural, and I'm all about looking natural. Okay, get my eyelash glue. I'm gonna be using the Super Stronghold. Dang, I just realized I just bought Super Stronghold glue. What was I thinking? No one of them things be sticking like that. All right, I'm gonna raise the eyelash up like this. Y'all see that? Not going in straight like that, but going in straight like this. So I'm gonna get a little closer for y'all. And I'm gonna let my eye just rest a little bit. Get off. Oh no. Yo. So I have to apply some more glue because that thing dried so fast and it wanted to make some problems. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hold my lashes from the middle like this. I have never done this before, y'all, but I really do not want it to get stuck. I'm gonna relax my eye. I'm not gonna lie, I thought these lashes was gonna give something else. It's not giving them. It's not, but I already bought it, so I am gonna wear it. It's okay. It's okay. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded. So, as y'all can see, I got some eyeshadow right here. Not very lined up the way I want it to be, so I'm gonna go in with that same brush that I use for like my eyebrows and then just the crease on the eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna clean that up, make that line straight as can be. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you, had some fun on a run, though I give it. Now it's time for the face. Okay, I don't think this is no longer my skin tone, so only because it's winter down here, y'all. So I'm gonna do a little bit of mixing and see how I feel. I have this really bright Fenty Beauty right here. Obviously not my shade. 190, and I'm just gonna put a little bit, just a little bit inside of it. And I'm just gonna mix it. Y'all see that? So I'm just gonna mix like that, and we're gonna see if it matches, which I think it does. Kind of blend it out a little bit. Baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, trying to fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You need. Alright, so then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Wet n Wild, and what shade is this? Medium Golden. Okay. Ooh, you rose latte with a cheek out. Both of them are from Fenty. They are also cream blushes, and I want to mix them. Okay, I'm finna do my lips. And add this pink to the side. All right, now I'm just playing with my lips. Go ahead and just spray the face. Now, I feel like I'm forgetting. I'm finna just let this set, y'all, and I'm gonna come back because I want to come back cute. And I'll be right back in like 10 minutes.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, babe.
I guess it's not that bad with the finishing touches, as in putting like this little jean jacket on that I just kind of like, you know, made a cute little shirt with or whatever. We cute. I'm feeling it now. I'm feeling it. Yeah, we finna do something, y'all. We finna go make some moves because we cute and we gotta get outside. What was I finna say? Black Panther is out. I'm finna go watch that movie with my mom. I should vlog it. We'll see. I probably will vlog it. I gotta see first, y'all, before I even make any of those type of decisions, for real, because I just be talking. Also, if y'all want to check out this video of my hair, me straightening my hair, that will be at the next video, well, after, so I'll put the link down below or just coming up, and y'all can check that out as well. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little clip that I gave y'all, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Don't forget to comment, like that button, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Bye.